Hi, this is Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. Thank you for clicking on this brand new 2021 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. Actually, two of them here. There's an identical 130 in the background, so you'll get a couple different looks. This boat is newly arrived to MarineMax Clearwater's in-stock inventory. Talk about a versatile platform, can suit great as a tender to a larger boat, since wet weight on this with the Merc 40 is right at 1,000 pounds. So a lot of davits. The dimensions of a 14 overall and a 5'10 beam fit a lot of hydraulic swim platforms, and really gives a versatile capacity, not only as a tender, but use as a primary vessel too. A lot of areas in Tampa Bay where you need to get into tight areas, some shallow water, only a 9-inch draft on this boat, 4 persons capacity. You got an anchor locker up front that is insulated and drains overboard. Good cleats, both fore and aft. Low profile grab handles. This boat's packaged with a bimini that does collapse and gives great sun protection. You have a glove compartment storage for documents or quick grab items. It's gasketed right here in front. Cup holders. A 6.5 gallon fuel cell standard with the ability to add more. Side console, binnacle, stainless wheel. You got a nice clean walk through to the port of the helm. And I've actually measured it. A 45 quart Yeti fits perfectly right there. You got a lot of aft cockpit space for 5 gallon buckets, dive gear, additional items, rod holders. And again, we got a Merc 40 4-stroke, a 4-rung collapsible dive ladder. This one's got the chrome graphics and a real pretty white rub rail with a small little gray insert on a single axle galvanized trailer. Easy to tow. Bring your small little vehicle that you didn't think would be able to tow a boat and get on the water today in a great package. Can still do a family of 4 and enjoy boating. Again, this is Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. Come see this boat in person. Give us a call at 727-536-2628. We are just south of the Courtney Campbell Causeway on Highway 19 in Pinellas County. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.